everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking your favorite lasagna to a whole nother level. We are making the most delicious Rasta pasta lasagna. It's absolutely delicious. Can't wait to show you guys how to make it. Before I begin, if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video for me if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. We're going to start by dicing up our chicken. I'm using 3 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Also, I'm going to dice these very small, okay? The smaller they are, the more flavorful it'll be. I'm going to transfer the chicken to a bowl so we can marinate it. Next, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. We're going to be using this jerk seasoning today. This one is mild. I'll leave it down below for you guys. I'm using about 3 tablespoons. Then we're going to mix. Now we're going to set the chicken aside while we boil the pasta. Now we're going to boil the pasta. I have my water already boiling. I am going in with my lasagna noodles. I'm going in with about 10 lasagna noodles, just in case. Usually I use 9 because I'm making a small batch of lasagna. But today we're using 10 just in case one is broken. I'm going in with chicken bouillon and salt. Pour that in. Give that a few minutes to just fall in the water. Give it a stir. And there you go. You're going to allow this to boil for about 7 to 10 minutes. It's going to bake, so you don't want to overcook it. I'm going to cover it and wait for the 10 minutes, and then we'll drain it. Now we're going to make the ricotta mixture. If you don't like ricotta, I do have a video where I make lasagna without it. I'll leave it below, but I'm going to use about half of this. So let's say about 7 ounces of the ricotta cheese. All right, once you're done with that, I have about a handful of spinach that I'm going to add in. I do have a little bit of Parmesan cheese here. Put that in. And now we're just going to mix everything together. Just like this. You do not have to add any pepper, salt. You don't have to. And also, I forgot to add my parsley. I have about 3 tablespoons of minced parsley, really. Chopped parsley. Mix it together to add lots of flavor to this Rasta pasta lasagna. And there you have it. Our ricotta cheese mixture is done. All right, now our pasta is nice and al dente. It's time to take it out, okay? You don't want to overcook it. It's been cooking for about 7 minutes, so let's drain it and set it aside. All right, guys, it's time to cook the chicken. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. Next, I'm going in with the chicken. And once done, we're going to remove it and set it aside. Woo, you guys, this smells absolutely delicious. All the herbs, the thyme, the allspice, I can smell all of it. I'm going to transfer it to a bowl so we can make our creamy sauce, okay? This is what you have, absolutely delicious. We're going to set that aside for now. All right, all this right here is flavor, okay? In the same skillet, you're going to drizzle a little bit more oil. I'm going in with some bell peppers and red onion. Now, I don't have any yellow bell peppers, but if you do have some, just go ahead and add it to it because I just don't have any at the moment. I know it's a staple when you're making Rasta pasta to use all the trio of the bell peppers. Also, I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We're going to saute it until they're nice and soft. Now I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. We're going to get ready to make our creamy sauce, allowing that to melt. Now we're going in with the heavy whipping cream. Look at all this. Oh, it's frozen. My gosh. All right, now guys, I'm going in with about 3 ounces of cream cheese to make it nice and creamy. As you can see, it's already thickening up on me. Also, I have some seasoning that I'm going in with: onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, chicken bouillon. I'll leave it below for you, but you want this to be nice and thick, okay? All right, guys, our creamy sauce is done. Honestly, if you like, you can add your chicken to it. Just pour it in there so you don't have too many steps. But I'm just gonna save the chicken so I can add it as I'm layering the lasagna. So it's pretty much done. It tastes absolutely delicious. Make sure you taste it for salt and pepper, but I don't have to add anything. So let's move on to assemble this lasagna. This is everything you need to assemble the lasagna. I have the lasagna noodle, I have the creamy sauce, I have some mozzarella cheese, the ricotta cheese mixture, and of course our jerk chicken. So to begin, I'm going to grab a little bit of that creamy sauce, add it at the bottom, just a little bit, okay? And now I'm going in with my lasagna noodles. It doesn't matter what order you go, as long as everything is just a baking dish, okay? Just like this. Going in with the chicken, spread it out just like this. And then you're going in with a little bit of mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to do the same thing over again. And the more layer, the better. Your lasagna is not going to look flat. I like it very like high and tall. Once you're done with that, you're going in with, let me just add the remaining of the chicken. It's not a lot. Some of that ricotta cheese mixture. Once you're done with that, you're going to add your last layer of the Parmesan cheese. Okay, you want it to be nice and cheesy on top. So a little bit more than usual. I'm going to add a little bit more of that fresh parsley on top. And now we're going to bake this on 375 for about 30 to 35 minutes. All right, guys, our lasagna is done and it looks absolutely mouth-watering. All right, guys, it's time for the taste test. You know I'm excited. The aroma in here, to die for. Let's give it a try. Cheers, y'all. When I said I want Rasta pasta lasagna, this is what I mean. Another 10 out of 10 recipe you must try. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know down below if you're going to try it out. Also, leave a comment if this video was helpful. I will see you guys on the next amazing recipe. Bye, guys.